What's up, you guys? Welcome back and welcome if you're new. I know you guys are usually used to seeing me do mods on my truck, but in today's video we're going to be doing some mods onto Nate's truck.
What's up, you guys? For those of you guys that don't know me, my name's Nate. For those of you guys that have seen me in previous videos, nice to see you again. Today we have an awesome install and review from this company that has seen my previous video that I did for Jesse, read your guys' comments and saw that one of my fog lights was out. So they took the time to send me this pair of fog lights to do a review and install on. So let's get straight to it. So we're gonna get straight into this unboxing for you guys, show you what comes in the box, show you how well it gets packaged. I wish I had a name to give you guys, but if you guys are interested, the name will be, or the link to buy this will be inside the description box. After this unboxing, we'll go ahead and install, and then I'll do a review for you guys. Let's go ahead and get straight into it. So as you guys can tell, there's nice foam inserts and not really much in the packaging. You just get straight into the fog lights. Right off the bat, these do look really cool. I'm really excited to see how these look. Let's take a look at the second one. Looks like you have some sort of mounting brackets. I'm sure we'll see where those go after. And then the second fog light. I'm really excited to see how these look. All right, guys, let's get into the install. Didn't see you guys there, but hey, if you like what you see, link in the description down below. Go get it now before it's too late. All right, guys. So we just did the unboxing. Let's go ahead and get straight into the install. It should be fairly easy for us second gen owners. All we got to do is remove a couple clips in this fender well. It'll expose the fog lights, take a couple screws out, plug and play, and you're ready to go. Let's go ahead and get into it. All right, guys, so this second gen fog light install should be fairly easy. You just need Phillips flathead, maybe some pliers. The rest is all plug and play, so let's go ahead and get into it. First things first, you do need to remove your fender liner from your truck. It is a couple screws and a couple plastic clips. It is fairly easy. I wish I could show you how to do it, but for me, all I have to do is break a zip tie that I didn't break right. There we go. Break a zip tie and pull this back. And from there you can see that the fog light is exposed. I know it's a little dark, but you can see it there in the top left corner of the camera. And from there, the install is pretty much self-explanatory, but let's go ahead and show you how to do it. Okay, so the next step right here is going to be removing the wire harness from the fog light. I'm sorry if I'm blocking you guys. And just so you guys do get an idea, right now I'm laying under the bumper on the driver's side. So like I said, take this clip off. Should be fairly easy. There we go, clips installed. After that, there is a clip right here on the inside closest to the engine to release the fog light. All you need to do is press that in. If you have trouble pressing that in, then I recommend using like a flathead screwdriver to push it in. And after that, there is this part right here that should slide out. If you have some trouble, I have some pliers right here that I can use to try and persuade it. I'm not really worried about breaking these clips because I'm removing this fog light, but there it is. I see it pushing out. Oh, this clip went back in, and there we go. Clip on this side too. Let's see if I can finger it. Pause. I'm having trouble reaching it from this angle. So now that I got into a better position, I can see this clip over here. It should be fairly easy to get out. Just need to press it. Got it. Okay. And just like that, the fog light is out. And let's go ahead and get into the installation of the new one.
So if you guys want, go ahead and toss this, break it, have fun with it. Just like that.
Right here in my hands I have the original OEM headlight and the aftermarket one that we are going to be installing. As you can tell, they are both pretty much similar. This one's got the plug and play wiring harness. This was in a separate baggie. I believe this is to angle it, so once you have it installed so you can get your angles correctly, but they're pretty much identical except for the fact that this one is an LED and this does come with OEM halogen lights. So come on, let's go ahead and get straight into the install. So all you have to do is bring the fog light into the OEM housing, kind of line it up a little bit, get this bottom piece in, and it should clip into place. And once you feel it clip in, then you know it's in. After that, all you have to do is grab the wiring harness and plug it into your OEM harness and you should be set to go. There it is, easy as that. After that, all you really have to do is bolt up your fender liner if you have that luxury. For me, all I'm gonna have to do is zip tie this back into place and ready to go.
And then you just do the same thing for the opposite
on the
side.
Opposite side.
Damn.
As you can see, we have the driver's side in and installed, and right off the bat, wow, it looks a million times better. I mean, I haven't even turned it on, but already I'm happy with it. So we're gonna go ahead and finish up this passenger side, and then we'll go ahead and cut to some night clips and show you how they perform at night. Let's go ahead and get into it. Alright guys, so it's finally dark outside. Let's go ahead and see how these fog lights came out. Super excited to see them. Give me a second, let's get this car on. Wow, right off the bat, it looks way brighter than what it was before. Wow, that's significantly brighter. Yeah, you can see how nice that is. I wish I had a video of the OEM fog lights to give you a comparison shot of, but I mean, you could see it there. This is almost brighter than my headlights. Wow, these are real nice. If you guys like what you see, go ahead and click the link in the description. Thank you guys. All right, if you guys made it to the end of the video and you like these fog lights, need new fog lights, or just want to upgrade the look of your truck for a budget price, the link for these will be in the description box below. I'm sorry the install came a little butchered. This truck has been through a lot, so a lot of the clips are loose, a lot of the clips are missing. If you learned something from this video or you just had fun watching, go ahead and give it a like and give Jesse a follow.
So if you guys did like today's video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.